This 2018 Toyota Tacoma is brought to you by Affinity Automotive Repairs and M. Sales LLC. We can find what you want. JST. Follow our 5-step process. 1. Tell us what you want. 2. Give us your email to send you what's available. 3. Place a small deposit to secure your vehicle. 4. We locate it, do a quality check and service your vehicle. 5. Pick up and drive away happy. Visit us at affinityautomotive.com.